Hey guys, welcome back to HelpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to reactivate your Roblox account after being banned. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if your account just recently got banned here, how do you exactly reactivate your account? Well, the thing with bans here is typically when you try logging in, you should see account banned, account deleted, something similar to that. And usually, you should have the link or the section here that's usually highlighted in blue that says request an appeal. You want to go and visit violations and appeals. And once you do click on it, you should be able to see violations appeals. You want to go and just choose the option here that basically says support. Now, once you've gone to support, this is what you should be seeing. Now, this is the contact us page. Now, you might be wondering, why are we in the contact us page here? Well, the thing with recovering your account, especially if it's banned, well, you need to contact or reach out to support to have it unbanned. So typically what you need to do is you want to go and complete the necessary details here, like for example your username. Although it's optional, I would highly recommend you to enter or add your username here, your first name, your email address, and the confirmation of that email address. Now make sure the email address that you're providing here is the email address that is linked, that is the one that's linked into Roblox account, so that they can actually reverse or they can look it up. And also you want to go into specify a few things, like what device are you having problem on. Like you go and choose the device type here, either PC or Android phone here, depending on what you're using right now. Now for the help category here, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, look for appeal a decision, and you want to go and click on help category type here. So maybe I want to appeal a decision on behalf of your child here, or if you have, or if you're like if you've, like for example, if you have other options that you can choose in here just in case your account is actually banned. But in some cases, depending on where you are, you may see the option here, instead of saying appeal a decision, like for example appeal account, something like that. So if you do see that in here, appeal account, you want to go and choose that. And once you've chosen that, it's going to allow you to describe what your issue is. Now, in this case, I would highly recommend you to be professional with this one. Like, be really proper sentence structure. Maybe ask assistance from someone else that has some experience here. Like, for example, you could just say, "Hi, I am requesting assistance on recovering my account." Now, the thing with this one, like what I said, is you want to be as professional or as proper as you can in here, because the more professional or the more you are proper, you can actually properly construct your sentence here, especially discussing what actually happened with your account. Like if you can explain what happened to your account, what went wrong, and what you think happened here, and the reasons why they should actually unban your account. Now, once you do have successfully set this up, describe your issue, describe what actually happened in here, go and click on continue to submit your appeal. And usually after 24 to 48 hours, they would be able to respond to you and basically give you an update if they can actually recover your account. Now, this is still subject to Roblox decision or their support team. So that's why I'm saying be proper with this one. Describe your issue properly. Construct your sentences as best as you can. But that's about it. So, found this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.